Say when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Fucking crash this shit.
See the FPSs. I'm down to 6.
Yeah, I'm down to
Rest
6.
in peace to the server.
Jesus fucking Christ.
I'm at 3.
I'm at 2.
I'm at 2.
I crashed.
Jake's going strong, baby.
I'm at 1.
I'm at 1 also.
I'm still hanging on it too.
Oh.
I'm crashing. I'm crashing.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh no, I heard. I'm okay.
It's fucking nuts.
I'm froze. I can still
Same.
hear it. Oh, they're
Me
starting to
too.
starburst finally. Yeah, we gotta send this to Banana.
Alright, that's some shit is just going the fuck down, dude.
I love seeing
Why
chat
my
when all
FPS
this...
so low? That's great.
Dude, I believe in my PC.
What's going on with my PC, man?
What is going on?
Mine just farted. I heard something does fly out of the back end of it. That's some curry goat or something.
Throw the rock, Jake.
Why can't I move my character? My game crashed. Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh my god.
I got now 9 on me, dog.
My game is.
Hank Hill? No way. I didn't know he was
Yeah, I think
back.
I think that's the real one too. I know
Is
for
daylight
sure
all
that.
of a sudden? It's still
I
shooting.
think that's for the fireworks. Oh man,
Is
I
it
know.
daylight
fucking Wonder
outside?
Virgin is gone.
Jesus Christ. How long is this gonna go on for? Is it like a one burst?
It's like 30 seconds ish, but like it's so delayed right now that it's probably gonna be like 3 or 4 minutes.
Dude, the shit is just going in and out. It's not even like actually getting. Oh my god, bro. Turned into the sun. You created a new sun.
Oh my god, I can't even type.
Who shoot me?
Easy peasy. Is your shit still lagging, Shake?
I'm at 1 FPS.
You're
It's
at
like,
what?
It's like bright as fuck. It's brighter than daytime.
I know.
Is it turning daytime?
I
Yeah, it's day-
it
it's-
just got super
it's daytime.
bright. Like,
Just hit me.
Ooh, there's a package right here. Let's go.
What's your guys' FPS out there? Where are you
I'm
at?
still
at
at 1.
I'm at 65.
It's still shooting time. How much did you put?
Oh,
This
Yeah,
is
I'm way
24,000
ahead.
GP, man.
Jake tried to look down and it did not work.
When it first started, it affected me all the way up north. But now that it's like almost over, like I don't have an issue.
Like
Dude,
my guy's looking up further on his own. I'm not even touching it.
Yeah. Like every 10 seconds you'll hear a pop.
Okay.
God, you guys are welcome.
This is amazing.
Oh, my game crashed.
Yeah.
Someone shot me.
I got 50,000
Mine's
GP
queef.
ready for the next one.
You gonna do another one?
Maybe.
Oh, I would. Honestly, I'd pitch in too. I'll give you your fucking GP back just to make those hackers
Quit.
fucking not have fun.
I mean, I gave you guys like 20,000 earlier today, man. Should just turn that
Yeah,
into
you're a
fireworks
beast,
too.
dude. Yeah, right. That's what I'm.
I don't really have any interest in making more rockets, so gotta do
you-
something with it.
You have enough for the rest of the wipe, huh?
Yeah, I haven't made any rockets in the past week, and I still got a box and a half.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe it's still going on.
I know. Patrol heli's coming for me.
Oh shit, I should probably put my shit away.
I won't be able to do
Oh.
that.
Fuck it, let it kill you. Oh my god, what the hell? I don't know what just happened on my screen. Looks like the sun. There it is.
Let me know when the game returns back to normal.
Might be a while.
I'm alright with the GP cost it takes for this ship, but it also takes a fucking boatload of low grade and metal frags. So this is like 24,000 GP. I want to say it was like 8 or 10 low, 8 or 10,000 low grade also.
Wow.
So is Templar like someone you guys are against, or are you with them?
No, he's with us,
we
yeah.
hate Templar.
Yeah, we hate fucking Thumper. He's a fucking guy.
He's a prick.
Fucking
Why do you
prick.
ask? You hate him too?
I hate a lot of people on the server. Bunch of trolls.
I
Oh,
like
yeah,
Mob
y-
Deep, bro.
You must know Templar then.
Also, I like Big Pun, Fat Joe. You win a killer, you just talk a lot. Shake and bake.
I mean,
Bobby.
I just wasted 25,000 gunpowder to try to crash the server. I think we fall in line with the trolls that you speak of.
I guess what's hard for me to keep playing the game is the fact that like when you play duo, it's like it already takes long enough to get shit, and then when you get it, just someone else comes along and just fucks with you. Which that's the way the game is. But
Hey man, do this. If you take a wooden spear and get yourself a DB, then with that DB, get yourself all sorts of goodies.
just run around murdering everybody.
Oh yeah. Just sit outside of somebody's door, just wait for them to open that shit.
Or you hear a raid go on, go check it out with the DB. Make a play.
Yep,
Hey,
that's what we do. That's how you do it.
Normal yet?
Yeah,
No,
it's
mine's
mine.
not.
Mine is.
No, mine's green.
Probably because we're close to ground